Nerd 2, what are you up to today?
Well, you have made me and the kids especially, because you're fancy new house, leave the shoes outside and I don't like it. So we went and bought the Hemnes shoe rack at Ikea. I don't know the price, but we can confirm that later. But I'm just gonna build that. You nail it against the wall. We'll show the final product. But yeah, just building that.
Here it is, guys. So this is the frame. Looking good so far. I have to give it to Nerd 2, who's become quite the pro in assembling IKEA furniture.
What do you mean?
He does it.
The house stuff as well.
Of course, everything, but he's really good at this IKEA stuff. He just knows how to do it. He built my closet. I still have to put the video up for that. So here is house Nerd 2 putting this together. We'll show you. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. I'm so sorry. We'll post the final product. Post the final shoe rack in a few minutes. Stay tuned and follow us for more. Bye.